Psalms 139, verse 14. I will praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are your works, and that my soul knows very well. You are indeed beautiful. You are unique. You are wonderfully made by the hands of God. Let no man say otherwise, because God created you in his own image. Hello guys, and welcome once again to my channel. Today's video is going to be an art wall DIY part 2. There's already a video of the art wall DIY part 1. If you still haven't watched it, you can go and click on the video. So without further ado, let's begin. I will show you guys how to create this home decor art wall. So without further ado, let's start. In the previous video, I showed you guys how to use normal tape to create an art wall. This is another method on how to create a different style. So in this video, I'm not going to talk much. It's because this video is just self-explanatory. I use paint. You can choose any color that you want, but I decided to choose these type of colors: gray, gold, and white. And once I was done painting all the squares and rectangles, I used crushed glitters. It's just optional. And then once I was done, I also used Gorilla Glue to stick those glitters. I believe those normal glue that we buy at the dollar store doesn't really do much, and it doesn't make it beautiful. So if you have something like Gorilla Glue or any type of glue that would stick, then do so. I think the most important thing is to just have glue that is clear and not, white or any other color. As long as you have a glue that is clear and transparent and we won't see through, that will be perfect. So those two shapes that I'm painting, I use glitter and paint. I mix them together to achieve this result. This step is really crucial. It is really important for you to take your time and peel off the tape slowly. Make sure to remove the tape slowly. Because of time, I had to fast forward this step. I didn't want the video to be really long. And voila, I'm done. What do you guys think? Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think for the first art wall. So now we're going to do the second one. And again, it's self-explanatory. I just made some few lines and then, use tape. And yeah, so whatever shape you want your design to be, you can do so. But if you want to follow how I did mine, you can do so as well. So decided to write down a quotation in the Bible, and I decided to use Luke 1 verse 37 because it's one of the verses that I love, and it's also short, so it will be able to fit in that small space there. So yeah, so for with God nothing will be impossible. To be frank with y'all, the fun part was me peeling off all the tapes from the canvas. I don't know, it was just satisfying. But yeah, so once I was done removing all the tapes, I didn't want to leave the canvas like that, so I decided to add some few rhinestones here and there. Yeah. here's the final result, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do create this canvas, please let me know. If you also like this, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and support your girl. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye bye.